Yes, 10 students up. Just waiting for 2 more. They're coming. So those who get speaking sessions, go in the middle, finish your speaking for 5 minutes and come back. No problem. Okay, I want you to finish your speaking sessions also. Right. Yes, 11. So we are going to set off. Yeah. Within 5 minutes, 10 minutes, everything should be done. Yes. Very good. 13 students. So 12 students are online. Right. This is the question. Okay. Question number 25. Right. Okay. Let's see. Right. Take your notebooks and everything. Yes, listening. Listening. Subtest. Part C.
Afternoon lunch, rice or chapati?
Chapati. Yes. Listening subtest. Part C. Okay. Listening subtest part C. Sorry, part B. Manju. Note down this number. From Africa, note down this number and contact through WhatsApp. Okay, so listening subtest. Listening subtest. Name Jeff, Africa. Right. Yes. So we have two different things. Number one, yeah, this is listen. 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 Yes. So now, so listening subtest. How are we going to do this listening subtest? Part B, not C. Sorry, it's part B. Listening subtest, part C. Write down all your problems because we are going to solve all your problems today regarding part B. All your problems related to part B. Write down in the chat box. Write down in the chat box all your problems, whatever your problems are. Just write down. Write down. I have 2 minutes for you. I am giving you 2 minutes. I'm giving you 2 minutes. Write down all the problems. Yes, write down all your problems. So write down all your problems. We are going to discuss. Yes, all your problems. Part B. Yesterday we have seen part A. Today we are seeing part B. Yes, sometimes it's confusing to choose the correct options. Confusion with few options. Still having problem of audio. Oma. Yes. So listening subtest part B. Sorry. Part B. Part B. We have 6 questions. We have 6 questions in part B. Okay. Yes. Right. So there are altogether 6 questions in part B. And we are going to do those things now. Okay. Listening, part B. Write down all your problems. Listening, part B. Yes. File, save as. Today is 3rd March. Third March. Okay. So OET listening part B 25 to 30. Official authentic materials. Book 1. Test 3. Test 3. Yes. Yeah, the only problem I have with the part B is that sometimes you hear a particular thing that resembles the options in the questions. Yes, that's right. Okay. So you just click on the top, no need to dial anything. You can just click anything. Okay. Connect your mobile Wi-Fi, like how you did yesterday, or connect your phone headphones. Right. So question part B, listening. Listening part B. Yes. You hear a nurse briefing a colleague at the end of her shift. Yes. You hear a nurse briefing a colleague at the end of her shift. Right. This is the question. This is the question. So go through this question carefully. Go through this question carefully. So that is it. There. And the audio is here. So page number 130. Yeah, this is test 3, and this is the audio. Just click on this and you'll get the audio. Here it is. And practice more from authentic materials. Practice more from authentic materials.
Not from 50 class.
Yes, this is the link. Okay, the link is here. Okay, if you click here, you'll get the link. Edit, Control P. Yes. Audio link. Audio link. And then listening test. Right, audio link for the listening test. Right, now let us see. We are playing that. Yes. Here is the audio. So test 3.
Occupational English test. Practice test 3. Listening.
Something to worry about or not. More annoying is the fact that I'm much more troubled by glare than I used to be. So I wanted to ask your opinion on that.
Okay, well, let's start by... That is the end of part A.
That is the end of part A. That is the end of part A. Yes. We're going to learn the secret. So bear with me. I'm doing lot of things. We're doing lot of things. Okay. Those who have speaking sessions, you can go finish the speaking and come back to me. No problem. I'll be there. From morning to evening, I'm with you. But I want you to finish your speaking sessions also in between. Okay. Right. Now here is the question. Now let us see what it is telling. What does the colleague have to do? Means future. So let us see here. You hear a nurse. You hear a nurse briefing a colleague at the end of the shift. Nurse briefing colleague, end of shift. So now you try to understand here. Shift change. You can understand the scenario. Shift is changing. So day shift nurse is giving her responsibility to night shift nurse, or morning shift to evening shift, or evening shift to night shift, or night shift to morning shift. There's a shift change. The first one is briefing what to do, what she has to do, or what does the colleague have to do for the patient tonight. So tonight, so shift is night. So it is evening, afternoon shift lady or the day shift lady or person or a man is, so night shift is coming in, day shift is going out. Day shift is going out, night shift is coming in. So the person who is going out is telling for the coming in nurse what she has to do. Have to do means have to do or has to do. Does have to do means has to do. Okay. Now, so now let us say she has to do what? She has to remove, or has to arrange, or has to monitor. So to do what? To remove or to arrange or to monitor. To remove or to arrange or to monitor. She has to remove or she has to arrange or she has to monitor. Okay. She has to remove or she has to monitor. She has to remove or she has to arrange or she has to monitor. Okay. Now try to understand this. She has to do something. She has to do something. Okay. She has to remove or she has to arrange or she has to monitor. So what should she remove? What should she arrange? What should she monitor? So what? Remove what? To do what? Now here the point is to do what? To do what? I'm teaching you the techniques here. So briefing at the end of the day, to do what? To do remove or to arrange or to monitor. Now remove what? Remove what? Arrange what? Monitor what? So if you go there now, remove saline drip. Remove saline drip. Saline drip. More tests or blood pressure. So something is a problem. So she has to do something. Now, here you can see drips, saline drip. Okay, you understand? There may be many things, intravenous or something else. They may listen something else. Okay, not the same things maybe. So saline drip. To do what? To remove. Remove what? Saline drip. To do what? Arrange. Arrange what? More tests. To do what? Monitor. To monitor. Monitor what? Blood pressure. So what is important here? What is important here? What is important here? So saline. So saline is important here. Okay. Saline is important here. And here tests is important. And here blood pressure, BP, both are important. Blood pressure is important. So focus on these things. Focus on these three things. You have to focus on these three things. So go through those points now. Okay. Have to do means responsibility. Have to do means what? Right. Okay. Now what does she have to do? Yes, I am playing the audio now. Now what, before that one, I want you to do one thing. Okay, I want you to do one thing. Think what are the words which come related to saline drop, saline, tests, blood pressure. What are the words you are expecting there? Okay, if you think about that one, write down the words you expect. Words, because you are just listening that is the problem. Words you expect. Words you expect. Come on, write down as many words as possible. I'm giving you 1 minute. 1 minute, because thinking is very easy, but typing is little difficult. So I'm giving you 1 minute to think of all the words. I don't want you to miss this answer. Come on, do it now. Yes, write down all the things which you can hear. Yeah, prepare for more tests, monitor for blood pressure, check BP. Okay, I will drip. Yeah, very good. Yes, yes. Now you are going to listen to this one now. Okay. So we are playing the audio now. This one I will do. Okay. Only this one pass I will do. Pushpa.
సార్ వాళ్ళని ఎప్పుడు రమ్మన్నా వస్తాం. సార్ మీరు ఏమైనా అనుకోండి, నేనైతే ఏమన్నా, ఎందుకంటే నేను ఇల్లు ఉన్నప్పుడు మీరు నన్ను తీసుకున్నారు. సో మీరు నాలెడ్జ్
నేను వేరే ఏమంటలేను.
లేదు సార్, మీరు అన్నారు మీరు అన్నారంటే నాకు బాధ అనిపించింది.
ఒక్క నిమిషం. Yes, get ready. I'm playing the audio.
Now look at part B. Part B. In this part of the test, you'll hear 6 different extracts. In each extract, you'll hear people talking in a different healthcare setting. For questions 25 to 30, choose the answer A, B or C which fits best according to what you hear. You'll have time to read each question before you listen. Complete your answers as you listen. Now look at question 25. You hear a nurse briefing a colleague at the end of her shift. Now read the question.
Okay, so the next thing is about Susie Williams in bed 3.
Right.
She's been admitted for chest pain to rule out MI. So far she had an EKG, which was okay, and the first set of cardiac enzymes and troponins are negative. When she came in, her blood pressure was elevated a little, like 182/95. but she was given losartan, and at 6 o'clock it was 142/82. She was also dehydrated, so we started her on IV fluids. D5, half normal saline, running at 125 millilitres. That can go until midnight and then it can be disconnected. She's scheduled for a stress test tomorrow and some more enzyme tests. Okay?
Okay. Question 26. You hear part of a hospital map.
Yes. Now I'm going to give you the answer. Where I will give you, don't write anywhere. I'm going to tell you where you have to write. So here is the question. Copy post link. I'll give you, I'm going to train you everything. So this is the post link and this is the message link. Copy message link. Okay, this is the message link. There I'm going to give you, a poll, create poll. You can see now. Here I'm creating a poll. What is this question number 25? Okay, this is question number, edit. Question 20025. Question number 25. Okay. Let's see. Yeah, save. So question number 25. Create poll. Then here you have A, B, and C. And this is quiz mode, only one you can select. And here, this is, okay, elimination technique. Elimination, or you can say inductive, I-N-D-U-C-T-I-V, inductive and deductive methods. Okay, inductive and deductive methods. Okay, now I am passing the screen for you so that you will not see what answer I am feeding there. Okay, so fine. 180. Yes. 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 Yes, I have given the choice there. I have given the choice there. Yes. You can go to the link which I have given you and you have to click your answers there. Yes. Yes. Okay. So you can click on the answer. Okay, let me see. Yes. How many answers are there? 8 answers are there. What about the remaining candidates? Why don't you go and click on the answers? Okay. So now question 025. Yes. When I type your answer and keep it in the chat box, when I tell you to submit your response, okay, then you have to submit. So 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, submit. You can submit your response now. All of you. Yes, 11 people have done it. Very good. So now let us see, okay, what is the right answer? You already know what is the right answer. You already know what is the right answer. Now let us analyze how it has come. Okay. Let us analyze how it has come. Okay. Yes. Yes. Now you can see here. Okay. I'm going to open up the audio for this. Audio script. Yes, this is the audio script. Yeah. From here to here. Yeah. I'm going to show you something different. So bear with me. Yes. Okay. This is female and this is male. So you can recognize the voice here. So I'm telling you how to identify and how to trap things. It's very important that you trap things. So male, female, yes. So you can see one is a lady and one is a gentleman. So because of that, you can identify. Because of that, you can identify that it is changing. Yes. Yeah. Now you see. Everything is clear in front of you now. Now let us say she will be talking about everything. Okay. She'll be talking about everything. Now let us see here. Okay. Now. Yeah. She has been admitted for chest pain. Answer will be in the middle. She had an ECG which was EKG which was okay. And the first set of cardiac negative. When she came in, her blood pressure, so blood pressure. When she came in, her blood pressure was elevated. So first let us notice this. So three things. You have to focus regarding these three things. So what is that? Number one is saline drip. Number two is more tests. Number three is blood pressure. So you have to focus on these things. So here is blood pressure. The next one is IV fluids. Okay. So she is scheduled for a stress test tomorrow and some more enzyme tests. More tests. Now I'm going to show you some secrets now. Past, present, and future. Past, present, and future. Okay. I want to ask you before that. How many of you want to? How many of you? How many of you want to know the secrets of listening? If it is yes, say yes. If it is no, say no. It's your vote. Based on your votes, I'll teach you. Okay? If you say yes, I'll teach you. If you say no, I will leave it. Okay, come on fast. I'm giving you just 10-15 seconds. That's all. Okay. Next time.
Short button process, short button because this kind of process.
Okay, right. Dr. Vidya. Yes, Dr. Vidya has joined the session. Very good. I am very happy. Dr. Vidya from Kashmir. What is that? The paradise of India. Yes, now in Jamaica. Hello, Dr. Vidya. Where is Dr. Vidya?
Hello, sir.
Hello, dear. How are you?
I'm fine, sir. Thank
Yeah,
you.
you are a real darling for the teacher. Yesterday you told, sir, I'm not able to attend. I felt very sad, and I wanted that you be present. I did not want to call you and tell you. I was just waiting when you will join. I will be noticing like that. I really like you, and you are
Thank
very
you.
serious. You are
Thank
here. I know that this is night time for you, right? What is the time?
1 a.m.
1 a.m. in the night. I'm
Yes.
really sorry to trouble you.
Uh,
With what confidence you have joined the classes, I don't know. But
Yes.
because of your confidence, I opened up. Okay, right?
Thank you.
And,
Thank you so much, sir.
Yes, no problem. So I told you, if any of your friends are there from that region also, it's okay. You can inform them. And I'm going to give an advert now for 2 doctors for your region for separate timings. Okay, fine.
Thank
I
you,
really
sir.
appreciate. I want you
Thank
to get A grade, if not at least B plus for me. Okay.
Thank you, sir.
Okay.
I'll try. I'll try.
Now you tell me, will
Yes,
there be
sir.
any secrets in listening or no? What secrets will be there, sir? Just we have to listen and write. Is that correct?
No, sir.
Tell me.
I think we can locate the
Yes, we can locate.
answer.
This
Answer.
guesswork. Okay, you can mute now. You can mute now. There are 3 things: past, present, and future technique. Right down. Past, present, and future technique. 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 Okay, come here. I'm little busy now. Check in this list, which is very important, very, very important. Select those things and tell me. Okay, now next one is, right, past, present, and future technique. How do you know this? past, present, and future. I am giving black symbol. Past, present, and future technique. Okay. Now, how does this go? Past, present, and future technique. How does this go? I'm going to show that one now. I'm going to show that one now. Now, let us see. Was. Past tense. Was. Past tense. Was. Past tense. Okay. Now, this is past. We started past. We started past. Okay. Now let us see here. Then can go until midnight and then it can be disconnected. It can be disconnected. So can be future. Can be future. Can be future. She is scheduled for a stress test tomorrow. Tomorrow is future. Can be disconnected. Midnight. Can go until midnight. Midnight means night. So here there are two techniques you can follow. 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 Now what you have to do is, now first technique is present, past, future. Second technique is today, night and tomorrow. Today, day, night and day. Today, finished. Okay, day, today and tonight and tomorrow. Today, tonight, tomorrow technique is another one. Write down. Write down. Today, tonight, and tomorrow. Today, today, tonight, and tomorrow. Today, tonight, and tomorrow. So these are the two techniques you can follow for this particular question. Who will write this? Who is very fast to listen to me 100%? Anvi Jacob is going for exam tomorrow, so I cannot entrust it for her. Ravi Kiran, Dr. Ravi Kiran. Dr. Ravi Kiran. Dr. Ravi Kiran. Dr. Ravi Kiran, whatever important I am telling you, note down and afterwards you send it to me. First one is past, present, and future technique. Second one is today, tonight, and tomorrow technique. Today, tonight, tomorrow. Okay. Next class, yeah, finish. Only one little more time. Okay, yeah, thank you. So today, tonight, and tomorrow technique. These are two techniques which you can follow, either according to time duty system, shift system. Today, afternoon system, afternoon shift, and night shift, and morning shift. This is afternoon, night, and morning. Afternoon, night, and morning. So that is one. Next one, past, present, and future. Past, finished. My duty is past. Your duty is present, night. And morning shift is next. So that is what it is. So, very good. So this is very, very important. Now let us see here. How we are going here. So till here it is past. Okay. Now it is, so we started her on IV fluids. D5, half normal saline, running at 125 millimeters. Till there, it is past. Okay. Till there, it is past. Green. Okay, I'm taking green. I'm taking box. Yeah. Till here is past. Till here is past. Okay, that means till here it is past. This is past. Next, that can go until midnight and then it can be disconnected, finished. And she is scheduled. So till here, next. She is scheduled for a stress test tomorrow. Tomorrow. This is tomorrow. So this sentence is tomorrow. So now you can see now, above one is past, middle one is present, the last one is future. So this part is past, this part is present, this part is future. So that is how it goes. Tomorrow, how do we know? Because of tomorrow. And this, how do we know? Until midnight. This is night. This is night, midnight. Here it is, midnight. Fine. Next, how do we know that this is past? Okay, was. Everywhere you see was, like that. So this is how you go. That can go on until midnight. Which can go on until midnight? Saline. Okay, yes, saline. That can go on until midnight. So we started her. This can go until midnight. So now, you see this, right? Now let us see more tests. More tests is here. More tests is here. Blood pressure is here. Saline is here. Okay. So now you can see that in the middle, answer will almost always be in the middle. I told you number of times. Answer will always almost will be in the middle. So now let us see. Yeah. D5 IV fluids, D5 normal saline. So IV fluids and saline. So saline is given and IV fluids also given. Okay. And they will go, they can go until midnight and can be disconnected. It can be disconnected. Disconnected means remove. Disconnected means remove. Disconnected means remove. Yes. Disconnected, removed. Saline, IV fluids and saline. Okay. IV fluids and saline. Break. Yes, that is how you will get to the answer. That is how you will get to the answer. So easy. Go through this. Go through this. Now this is how it is going to be. Okay. Yes. Okay. Right. Now, next point is, okay. So daily, 1 or 2 techniques I teach like this, daily. One question is enough, but we'll learn number of things. Okay. Little drops of water makes a mighty ocean. Little grains of sand makes a mighty land. So like that one, daily 1 by 1 by 1 we'll learn. Okay. What do you want? One technique, solid learning per day. Okay. One technique, you only decide. One technique, solid learning. This is okay. This is one technique, solid learning per day. Number one, or many questions. Okay, many questions. Partial, many questions, finding many questions, learning answers per day. So one or many. Now you only decide. One technique, solid learning per day, or many questions, learning answers per day. One or many, you tell me. Come on. Write down one or many. Any one word you have to write. You have to write only one word. One or many. Yes. One or many. Come on, submit your response. Any one answer you type in the chat box. You want one question 100% or many questions 10% each. Okay. I can give you 100, 100 or 10 into 10%. So your suggestion, your wish. If we learn daily 130 points, we learn everything. Okay. So that's enough. Okay. Come on fast. Only 30 seconds more. Only 3 people have given the answer. What about the rest? So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Very good. Come on fast. Yes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. One more I want. 7 is a good number. One more candidate. One more candidate. Yes. Now we are going to part B. Yes, finished. Part B. How many of you are interested to learn one technique from part B? Part B, reading. How many of you are interested? Say yes or no first. If you are saying yes, then I'll switch on to the next. Come on fast. At least 7. Fat, it should come. I don't have time. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. One more. Yes, that's it. We got 7. Very good. We are moving to the next session. So we are going to the next link, reading link in the group. I've given you reading link in the group. Okay. You can join the reading link which I sent in the group, super nurses and super doctors. OET super nurses and OET super doctors. There is the link. You can join immediately because I'm